Welcome to the HardReset.Info BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here to our device a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock with the device with my face, and we'll see does this feature works and how fast is it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock works here, so just good. I just don't understand why I should touch here slide to unlock. Okay, so the face unlock works here so fast, though that just takes less than 1 second. So I suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock feature is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.